Alright, got the harness to the side. I'm gonna take off all these brackets and probably rewrap the wiring harness. And I was thinking about rerouting it instead of over the front, rerouting it to the back for like a wire tug, like a cleaner look for the engine. And got the crank pulley off earlier, thanks to Anthony. Brought over a breaker bar. And I got the fuel rails off, injectors. And next is the valve covers and the lower plenum. And then next would be trying to get this timing cover off. And after that, timing chain, then I can really start getting the cams and everything else and the heads.